Hi there! Here is how to make your Twitter account private on iPhone or Android. A private Twitter account means that your followers can only see whatever you post. This also means that anyone who doesn't follow you or doesn't have permission to view your feed won't be able to see your tweets. To turn on your Twitter account private, you need to open the Twitter apps, tap Profile, tap Settings and Support, tap Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy and Safety, tap Audience and Tagging. Now toggle this Protect Your Tweets. Now if you enable this option, your Twitter account will go private, and no one will be able to see or view your tweet unless they are your followers. Also, if you come back here to your Twitter account profile, now you can see that lock icon, which by the way represent to you that your account is private. So guys, this is how you can enable or make your Twitter account private on the Twitter app. Now if you have any more questions about this topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.